Hi, welcome to another tutorial, Laravel 9 Beginners to Pro. In this tutorial, we will learn how to install Laravel 9. Before installing Laravel 9, there are some requirements. First, your system must have PHP 8 to install Laravel 9. Second, you must have the Composer installed in your system. So what is Composer? Composer is a dependency manager which manage the packages inside the Laravel. Okay. Third, you must have to install some web server on your system like XAMPP, WAMP, Laragon, or any other web server which have Apache and MySQL at least. In my opinion, I am using Laragon from last 2 years, and my experience was very good with Laragon. If you want to install Laragon, just Google and download, and it's very easy to install Laragon and start working with Laragon. But most of the developer uses XAMPP. For your convenience, I'm going to follow all the steps through XAMPP. And to install Composer, you can simply go to Composer website and install the Composer. Main two things: how to check the Composer installed on your system or not. So I'm going to start just my terminal by just typing cmd, and to check it, either your system installed Composer or not, simply type composer and hit enter. It's processing something, so just wait for a moment. Okay, you can see here Composer is installed. Okay, and there are the various commands for Composer, but it's fine for me. I was just wanted to know either Composer was installed or not. And second thing, you can check the PHP version. I have just typed a command PHP -v, and it's showing here my current version, the PHP version PHP 8.0.15. Okay, so these are the two requirements, and I have already installed these two. And if you doesn't, then you can just go to the Google and just browse the relevant sites and download Composer and your XAMPP server or WAMP server, whatever you like. Okay, in my system for this tutorial, I am installed XAMPP. So simply go to XAMPP, and it will open the XAMPP control panel, and it was starting. And here I have to start the Apache server and MySQL. Okay, so as the presentation shows, PHP 8 is required. I have checked, it was installed on my system. Composer, it is also installed. And third, XAMPP requirement of web servers, so I have installed XAMPP. To install a Laravel project, first you have to write this command: composer create project Laravel, and the last one is the project, your project name. Okay, so just you can go to a terminal. I'm just opening the new terminal, cmd, and for your convenience I'm just going to, okay, just resizing. And one more thing, if you are working with the XAMPP, so I have installed XAMPP in my E directory, so I'm going to move on the E drive, then cd XAMPP, and cd htdocs. This is the root directory for the web server, and here we can create our project. So the command was composer create type composer create project, composer create project, laravel slash laravel, and I'm going to name the project laravel 9. Laravel 9. Okay, just hit enter. And I'm going to maximize, and I'm increasing the font of the terminal so you can see all these things clearly. So it will take some time. Okay, it's downloading, it is in the process. So just wait for a moment, and you can see it's downloading all the packages required to run a Laravel application. Laravel application depends on the several third-party packages, so several symphony packages. So it is installing all these things. We have to wait for a moment also. Maybe my internet connection is slow now, so let's take longer time. Usually it takes 2 minutes, mostly 2 minutes, but not an issue. We can wait. I'm waiting. Okay. Okay. So you can see Laravel is successfully installed. Okay, and you can generate. It's prompting that you can generate the key. So I'm skipping this step right now. So just move in your directory by typing change directory cd laravel 9. Okay, and for this tutorial I'm going to use VS Code. VS Code is one of the most popular code editor. Okay, so if you have installed VS Code, then just type code dot and it will open the project in VS Code. It's prompting for trust. I'm just checking. Okay, so here our project is. Here is the project which we have installed. But my intention is I'm going to close this one and just want to clear CLS is the command to clear the screen, and I'm going to show the another way to install Laravel. Okay, we have done installation by a composer and second one by the Laravel installer. So what is Laravel installer? This is also a composer package, and we have to, and we if we open the terminal again, actually the terminal was opened previously, so there is no need to open another one. I'm going to use this one. Okay, and I'm going to go to this one. So same requirement, these steps is the same. PSP8 is required, composer is also required. You must have to have a web server like XAMPP, WAMP, Laragon, whatever, and then the command is composer global require Laravel /installer, and this is required only for the first time. Okay, and you can notice here as we have mentioned the global, so it installed globally. See users for the app data roaming composer. Okay, and now whenever we want to install a new Laravel project, we must have to type Laravel new and then project name. So Laravel new, and I'm going to name the project Laravel NINE, because we cannot have the same directory with the same name in the same directory. So I changed the name. And yeah, so I'm going to maximize the screen so you can see the Laravel is also installing through Composer installer package, and there will be no these will be the exactly same. Okay, I just want to show you it will also install correctly. I'm waiting for the finish statement. Okay, it will also take 2 to 3 minutes. Just wait. Okay, okay. Actually, Laravel uses several third parties packages like Carbon, many things. So it takes some time. Yeah, it also depends on your internet connection. I think my internet connection is slower than the normal days, so it is taking more time, but not an issue. I can wait to show you the complete step. And done. Okay, same. It also install the 74 packages. The process will be same. We can also, okay. So previously okay, but we have done a mistake. We have installed our project inside a project, but not an issue. I just want to show you how to install. Okay, so I'm just going to exit. Okay, and these are the two steps, and these are the two way by which we can install a Laravel application. Keep in mind there are the two major requirements. You must have the PHP 8 and you must have the composer installed in your system, and you must have a XAMPP server, WAMP server, Laragon. In my opinion, Laragon is the best because it's also create the virtual host, so you need not to write the local host and then a project name. Okay, but for the beginners purpose, XAMPP is good, you can continue. Okay, one more command, PHP artisan serve. What it does? Okay, so just go to cmd once again, go to your directory cd XAMPP cd htdocs and cd. I'm going to open Laravel 9, the previously installed one, and if you open the code, it will be open in the code editor. But okay, so there is a Laravel has its own built-in server. Before showing that, just go to a browser. This is the browser, and I'm going to, close all other tabs. that helps. And if you type localhost slash laravel 9. Okay, so you can see our newly created project is listed here, but it's not showing any output, but rather it's displaying the directory structure. But we type a public, and then it will show the output. This is the default page created by the Laravel. So you can see you must have to write localhost, then the project name, and then public. There is an alternate way and easier way to work with your Laravel project. You can simply go to your command line and write this code, this one, PHP artisan solve. Okay, so I'm going to PHP artisan solve, and it will be start. Okay, and you can notice starting Laravel development server on this port. Simply you can copy, and the default port is 8000. So you can also remember or just copy paste here, copy paste this one, and you will see the exact result. Both are pointing the same project. Okay, but this is more cleaner. There is no slash Laravel 9 slash. Okay, so we will use both of them. Okay, I'm going to bind up this video now. Thank you. Thanks for watching.